Warren Buffett, a name synonymous with investing genius. Born in Omaha, Nebraska, Buffett's journey from a young boy selling newspapers to the Oracle of Omaha is a testament to his financial acumen, dedication, and disciplined approach. Today, he stands as the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational conglomerate holding company, and is revered as one of the most successful investors globally. Buffett's investing prowess is no secret. His reputation for being a savvy investor with an uncanny ability to pick winning stocks precedes him. But what's truly remarkable is his ability to take complex financial concepts and break them down into simple, digestible principles. This knack for simplification and his commitment to value investing have been instrumental in his success. Buffett, a man of modesty, is not just about wealth but also wisdom. His journey offers invaluable lessons on investing, decision-making, and above all, the power of mindset. Behind Buffett's success is an empowering mindset. Now, what is this mindset we're talking about? It's a mindset that believes in the potential of self-improvement, the power of informed decisions, and the value of patience. It's a mindset that understands success as a journey, not a destination. This mindset isn't just about being positive, it's about being determined, about having the will to push through the challenges that come your way. It's about making decisions, not based on immediate gratification, but on long-term benefits. Imagine a ship out on the sea. The mindset is the captain of this ship, steering it, deciding its course, and ultimately determining where it ends up. Without the right mindset, the ship can easily veer off course or even sink. But with the right mindset, it can weather any storm and reach the shores of success. As Buffett himself says, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. So, what's Buffett's secret mental hack, you might ask? Well, it's simpler than you might think. The key is long-term thinking. Yes, that's right. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, swears by the power of longevity. He's not in it for the quick cash grab. Instead, he's playing the long game. Let's take a look at some of his investments to illustrate this mental hack. One of his most famous investments is in Coca-Cola. Buffett first bought shares in the company in the late 1980s and has held on to them for over 3 decades despite the market's ups and downs. He didn't sell when the stock dipped or even when it soared. He knew the company's worth would only increase over time, and he was right. Another example is his investment in Apple. He started buying shares in the tech giant in 2016. Again, he didn't sell when the stock price fluctuated. He held on, believing in the company's long-term potential, and his patience paid off. Today, his investment in Apple is one of his most profitable. These examples illustrate Buffett's mental hack perfectly. He doesn't make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Instead, he focuses on the potential long-term value of a company. He's not swayed by momentary trends or panic. He keeps his eye on the prize, and that prize is always a few years down the line. This approach requires patience, discipline, and a certain amount of courage. It's not easy to resist the temptation to sell when everyone else is. It's not easy to hold on to a sinking ship, believing it will rise again. But that's exactly what Buffett does. He trusts his judgment, sticks to his principles, and most importantly, he thinks long-term. This mental hack, this long-term thinking is not just applicable to investing. It can be applied to any aspect of life, whether it's starting a business, pursuing a career, or working towards personal goals. It's about having the foresight to see beyond the present moment and the patience to wait for the fruits of your labor to ripen. For Buffett, it's all about playing the long game. Buffett's investment strategy? Value investing. It's a simple but potent principle that has shaped his success story. Buffett's approach to value investing is straightforward. He buys undervalued stocks and holds on to them for a long time. It's about identifying companies that are underpriced by the market, investing in them, and then patiently waiting for their true worth to be recognized. This strategy aligns perfectly with the mental hack we've been discussing. It requires a forward-looking mindset, patience, and the courage to swim against the tide. In the world of investing, where many are chasing quick profits and immediate gratifications, Buffett's approach stands out for its focus on long-term gains. His value investing isn't about making money fast, it's about making money last. This principle is not just about investing, it's about life. It's about seeing the inherent value in things, even when others don't, and having the patience to wait for that value to shine through. Value investing, a testament to Buffett's long-term mindset. Investing isn't without risks, and Buffett knows it. This Oracle of Omaha, as he's fondly called, has a unique approach to risk management that's worth exploring. He doesn't shy away from risks. Instead, he dives headfirst into them, armed with a shield of knowledge and a sword of foresight. Take a moment to picture this. A chess player, studying the board carefully before making a move. That's Warren Buffett with investing. He's not just throwing darts in the dark and hoping for a bullseye. No, he's calculating, strategizing, and making informed decisions. He reminds us that investing is not gambling, it's a game of skill. Every decision he makes is based on careful analysis and understanding. And this, fellow investors, is the cornerstone of his success. It's not about taking the biggest risks, it's about making the smartest decisions. Now imagine a scale, one side weighed down by potential rewards, the other by potential risks. Buffett's philosophy? The scale should always tip in favor of rewards. He's not interested in high-risk, high-reward scenarios. Instead, he opts for calculated risks that promise steady, long-term rewards. And this brings us to an important point. Buffett's success isn't just about his mindset or his investing principles. It's also about his approach to risk management and decision-making. It's about understanding that not all risks are worth taking, and not all decisions are worth making. Buffett's mantra: risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So arm yourself with knowledge and let that guide your decisions. Because in the end, the most successful investors are those who understand the game they're playing. So how can we apply Buffett's principles in our lives? You may wonder. Well, let's dive into it. Firstly, try to cultivate a mindset focused on long-term success. Don't let short-term setbacks distract you from your larger goals. Instead, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. It's all about perspective. Just as Warren Buffett does, make thoughtful decisions considering the risks and rewards. Don't rush into things because of pressure or excitement. Take your time, do your research, and make sure it aligns with your long-term goals. Remember, each decision you make today will shape your future. Next, adopt the value investing principle. Don't just chase the hot stocks or trends. Look for value where others may not see it. This principle is not only applicable to investing but also in other aspects of life. For instance, it could be a business opportunity that others have overlooked, or a skill that you can hone to set you apart from the crowd. Lastly, commit to continuous learning and stay adaptable. The world is always changing, and so should you. Stay informed, keep learning new things, and be open to change. This will keep you relevant and ahead of the curve. Remember, success isn't achieved overnight, it's about consistent, long-term effort. We've journeyed through Buffett's mindset, now it's your turn. It's time to reflect on the wisdom of one of the world's most successful investors. The mental hack that sets Warren Buffett apart is his unshakable belief in long-term success over short-term gains. He's shown us that value investing, thoughtful risk management, and an unwavering commitment to continuous learning are the stepping stones to success. Remember, it's not about quick wins, it's about the big picture, the long haul. It's about making decisions today that your future self will thank you for. And it's about resilience, about picking yourself up after a setback and moving forward with renewed determination. So, what are you waiting for? Start applying these principles in your life. Begin with small, daily practices and watch as they gradually shape your mindset and your future. Share your experiences, your wins, and your learnings. As Buffett says, it's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours and you'll drift in that direction.